I got him, got him. I got one down.
I usually go through that left side of it. The gas station. That's the way I usually go.
Hey, there's one on police station. One on the left side of police station.
Red or green?
I'm on your team.
Are we red or green?
Yeah, we're red. We're red. This thing's too accurate to have a 2-inch barrel. I'll just sit here for a little bit. Come on, poke your head out.
Hey, yo, we need to bring it back around.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Wait, let me try.
Wait. Hold on, hold on. Alright, go, go.
You can go straight.
Watch out. Okay.
Hold on. Okay, ready. Move. Ready? Go.
Carpenter, remember, I can grab it too. He's hitting everywhere around me, but not me. Alright. Whoa, whoa. There's a guy in the tavern. Hit!
Good kill.
Good man. Okay. Got him. Okay. Hey, do you see him? Okay. Tavern.
They moved up far.
2 in the tavern.
One and a half minutes remaining.
2 down. We did?
I guess we're all dead.
Okay.
I don't want to shoot the back so close.
Damn, that was a good name. That's 4 people.
Dude, I was like this close.
I don't know if I was dead. I'm just going to call it either way. I don't care. We're right here. But do you see him push up all the way?
Yeah.
This gun's freaking accurate. I just coast right across. He moved up to the bomb.
You see me almost kick
I saw you kick it. Yeah, just try.
it was like this far away. Like,
The second time it killed today, my grenade.
I know, dude, that one guy was.
Oh, okay, he's in here. Oh, you see him? He's in there. He's in the gun room.
alright, look.
It's over.
Hey.
Game over!